Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I just want to teach you some more interesting things about the Bootstrap. Actually, I'm just teaching you the popover, but the second thing I just want to teach you about the tooltip, that we can apply the tooltip on the button as well. So there I'm just creating a button to clarify you the thing which I just want to guide you. So there I just created the button here and adding the class of bdn here, and bdn we can add any things like bdn default. Okay, we can apply any color, any effect there, and there inside the button I'm just typing the text like hover me the mouse. And now here I'm doing the same thing like the data toggle. Everything should be same, and interestingly we do not need to type this thing again because I just typed there any element who has the data toggle tag, the attribute, and the value of the data toggle is tooltip should be applied this whole jQuery script. So guys, I'm just adding some more things like the title. Okay, there I'm just typing you hovered. I can type anything, whatever you want. Mouse, okay, whatever. And then the last thing is, or just save and go to the browser to see, refresh. Now this is a button, you can see that you hover the mouse, but here I'm just applying the class of the data placements button. Save and refresh. Now hover the mouse, I'm getting the effect on the button, so that means it's perfectly managed. And now I'm just going to teach you the other thing, which is the pop over. So there I'm just creating the new a tag, a. Okay, cover this up, and then inside the a tag hover to pop, or why I'm not typing the pop over element. I can type anything, whatever I just want. So there at this time I'm just putting the hash again and just adding in space, and the same thing the data toggle, but now I'm not typing the tooltip, I'm just typing the pop over and adding another space and adding the title as well. Now I'm just typing pop over. Okay, I'm adding in space. The new thing which is in this element, the pop over, is the data content. I'm just typing you pop over this element, whatever I'm just thinking, I'm typing there. And now what we need to complete this pop over element, just duplicate this one because we just already created the document.ready, so I just don't need to create the document.ready again. Inside the same document.ready I'm just applying another script, or actually the single line of code, and the data type I'm just typing data toggle should be pop over. And one thing more, the spelling is case sensitive, so if you just type pop over in the small letters as you type, so there it should be the small letter as well. So I'm just removing the tooltip here and applying the function of the pop over. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now hover the mouse there or click there. Okay, actually we just do not need to hover the mouse, we have to click, and now we just click anywhere, nothing happening. If I just click there back, it's removing. Click on the popover element again. Now what is the popover? This is the title, the popover, and this is the data content. You can see that. Now you can imagine that how perfect is this. Now I'm just duplicating this one and refreshing. Now this is another one, and what I'm just doing with this new one, adding another new attribute, the data trigger. Okay, focus. Save and go to the browser and hover the mouse, click there. Now when I just click there and I just click anywhere, it's not going, I have to click back to the element. But when I just click there, now if I just click there or anywhere, it's removing. So this is the interesting part of this element. I'm just adding one more thing to clarifying there. Okay, focused, and again duplicating this one again. And what I'm just doing, but before doing anything, I'm just adding any space and adding this sign, another space, space, sign, space, and then this should be the hovered, not the focused. Save, and here in the data trigger I'm just typing hover, save, and then refresh. Now hover the mouse, you can see that when I just hover the mouse it's visible. When I just go out and leave the element, you can see that it's going. When I hover the mouse, nothing happening. When I just click here, it's coming, but when I just click anywhere, it's going. When I just click there, now when I just click anywhere, nothing happening. We have to click to the element again. So these are three kind of the popovers. I hope you understood all of them. And yes, we can apply the data placement as well. If I just copy the data placement, paste there, add in space, and there, save and refresh. Now which element I just applied the data placement? The hovered element. Now the by default way of the data placement of this popover is right side, okay, but when I just put the data placement as button, so you can see that the text is in button. If I just remove the button and type the left, okay, save and refresh, now hover the mouse, it's on the left. Same like that, if I just type top, so save and refresh, now it's on the top. One thing more I just want to clear you that the by default data placement value of the tooltip is top and the popover is right. Refresh, click there, you can see that the element is on right, the element is on right, okay, but here the element is on button because I just applied the data placement attribute as well. So guys, I hope you understood all the things about the data tooltip and the popover. We'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and